Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we have got an exciting topic to dive into. We are going to explore the world of short films, what they are and why they matter. First thing first, what is a short film? Well, a short film is a brief motion picture that tells a complete story in a limited amount of time. Typically, they range from a few minutes to around 40 minutes in length, and they come in different genres just like full-length feature films. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal about short films? Are feature films not more popular? Well, yes, feature films get a lot of attention, but short films have their own unique charm. Short films are like bite sized nuggets of cinematic creativity. They can be incredibly powerful because they condense storytelling, emotions, and artistic expression into a short time frame. One of the coolest things about short films is their versatility. Filmmakers can experiment with different ideas, styles, and techniques. It's like a playground for creative minds. They can explore anything from animation to drama, from documentary to horror, and so much more. Short films are all about storytelling. They challenge filmmakers to get straight to the point, to engage their audience in a brief but impactful narrative. It's like a literary flash fiction story, but on the screen. Short films are not just confined to film festivals anymore. With the advent of the internet and platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, they have become more accessible to the masses. Anyone can create and share the short film with the world. What's really inspiring about short films is that they often serve as stepping stones for emerging filmmakers. Directors, writers, and actors can showcase their talents and gain recognition through short films, making their mark on the industry. Don't forget film festivals. They're like the red carpets for short films. Festivals like Sundance and Cannes have dedicated categories for short films, and winning one of these awards can launch a career. So, there you have it, folks. Short films are a fascinating and essential part of cinematic world. They're a canvas for creativity, a training ground for new talents, and a source of inspiration for all of us. If you haven't explored the world of short films yet, now is the perfect time to start. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next exploration into the world of film. Until then, keep watching, keep creating, and keep being amazing. See you in the next one.